an airport is honestly a little bit has its moments and challenges. So I try to use the camera to turn through the parking lot. As you can see, very slow. Try not to hit every curb possible just to get in. And, you know, slide through the curbs slowly and try not to hit vehicles that are parked out, you know, pretty far. This is what parking a truck is all about. You know, trying to squeeze in between two cars, using your backup mirrors, and the way it goes. And a van in front of you. Look at this. You know, beeping, trying not to hit a wall, and right between the middle. Not too bad if I say. Right on the wall. Get it.